Hello everybody, today I'm pleased to present to you this beautiful Unico Camille Parys button accordion, in excellent condition with minor signs of wear. On the treble side we have 87 buttons, 11 register switches and 4 sets of reeds. On the bass side we have 120 bass buttons, 3 register switches and 5 sets of reeds. Here we have a Belgian bass system, and if we go up we will have perfect fourths, and if we go down we have perfect fifths. It is like an upside down traditional Treble bass system. Also the first 3 rows are the bass buttons.